Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 2. I did this one in Part 1, and then I started thinking about another way that might be a lot easier and maybe even look better. By typing out the whole word, I'm just using Corel Draw with a space between it. I'm going to make an ellipse, so I have to make my wordage a little bit smaller. And this is all going to be text to path. So we're going to take, and a lot of people are going to say, well, that's not going to work, but it does. If we go text to path and put it on the path, you can see it's not big enough or long enough, but we're also going to take it with the shape tool and stretch it out to make it conform to the ellipse. Just play around with it. That's not bad. But then with text to path, go up here and pick this one right here and watch what happens. It makes it look like it's going around that path. Now we need to mirror it. So this one is in front and that one is in back. And then you can adjust we need to actually probably go backwards. So the Corel Draw, this word right here will be on the other side. And we're going downhill. No, I was going uphill. So we need to just type in like 26 and we're almost there. So I'm going to just hit the arrow key and I'm going to bring it around where the first Corel is kind of in there. It's kind of neat because the other words, like the two W's right now are almost at a slant. But if we kind of get a middle right about there, and you don't really need to change the text to path, that'll actually help you there. But once you've got it kind of where you want it, select it all, go up to Object and break the text apart, then you can get rid of your line. Now this is all one group, so we're going to go to Object and break Corel Draw apart. It's leaving that is Corel's Draw is a one word. So now that we have that, we can make it red. Holding down the Shift key, the Control key, we're going to add a little black. We can, like we did last night, we can actually go transparent a little bit more. Make it not quite so pronounced. Then take the front one and just make it red. Now, you could play around with this quite a bit, and then Control G to group it. And then this is where you can rotate it, kind of make it look like it's on an angle. Doesn't look all that good until you like print it on a black shirt or something like that, order back a page. That's pretty cool. And you could, still play with it quite a bit. Go ahead and go group and ungroup it and take your red and hold down the control and let's add a little white. Well, that doesn't really ring my bell. So let's just go back to red. But you could still make your other one, holding down the control, just add a little darkness. So it looks like it's kind of just faded in there. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas and thank you for watching.